Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Aimeio Arts, and I'm going to do a little bit of journaling today with the express goal of using up some stickers. If I sound funny or you hear rustling, it's because I am literally horizontal in my bed under 1,000 blankets doing this voiceover. Because there's 14 feet of snow outside and
we have another snow day. That sounded kind of hysterical in my brain.
Okay, I'm drawing a cat because that's what I do. That's just what I do. I love this little cat. I was doing my doodles for the beginning of this week, and I saw that little cat jumping up, and I was like, well, done and done. That needs to go in my journal. So I put him in, and I drew him, and then I put a little speech bubble, and then I did the little, thing where it looks like he's jumping, because I thought it looked like he was jumping up and he was going to say, yippee, snow day or something. But then Henry came over and he said, why is he tooting? Well, that didn't occur to me before then. So anyway, I'm coloring him in. I used my Posca to give him some orange spots. And then I colored him in with my brown Mildliner. I just wanted a happy animal to be jumping up and exclaiming snow day, because I needed a little bit of excitement today because we, went through the whole rigmarole of getting the kids ready for school, and lunch is packed and snow clothes wrangled up and dropped them off. And then 5 minutes later got the text that school would be releasing at 11:30. So working parents, I am so sorry. I don't know how you deal with the school district. I don't know. I know it's not their fault, but whatever. It's safety. I get it. So these pink stickers are from a Heidi Swapp kit word set that I got at Tuesday Morning. And I've showed you guys this before. Tuesday Morning is really fun, and I always forget about it. I need to go there more often. So I'm putting in stickers from that. And then I have these winter stickers from the Carpe Diem Freezin season scrapbook kit. I put down that I Love Snow Days banner, and then I pulled up the pink that I had put down because it was too much pink for me. So I put down green instead. And I know you're saying, well, it already has the date and the day on there. Why do you do that? I don't know. I don't know. I just do. And then these words, the bundle up. And then they have these little snowflakes. This was the cutest scrapbook set. I was obsessed with it. I got it on scrapbook.com probably in November. I can't remember. I used it in a video called Winterizing my Traveler's Notebook. The home stickers and with me are from the Crate Paper Journal Studio sticker kit. And then that one that don't forget is from a set of stickers that I had way at the beginning of the summer from, I'm going to have to link them below. They're old. But you guys, I was digging through stuff to send to Kelly in her gift, like extra stickers and stuff. And I'm like, Emily, you have got to use up some of these stickers. So that's what I'm trying to do now. So I'm journaling and then... Okay, just a second, sweetie. Hold on. Oh, pardon me. It's already pre 9 a.m. and we're already wanting to go outside and play. Oh, okay. So I'm putting in some cat stickers. Those are my cat stickers that I got on Amazon because they're just crazy cats. And then there's another cute little cat waving a feather. I'm like the feather waving cat trying to entertain the 2 running wild cats. And then there's 2 ice skating cats above the bundle up. I went a little nuts. And then I took the up off from the bundle up because I was having commitment issues with it. It was too much of the same font. And then I wrote it. And then I put in a little pom-pom hat. And like I said, trying to use up stickers. I don't know how I ended up with all these stickers. You guys are like,
I do. You order them, you stupid freak.
well, right. I do. But then I order other things, and then you see how I get where I am now. And then I have my Delfonics, and I decided to put in some new stuff. So I'm taking out the washi tape that was in there and the pens, and I'm putting in different Pigma microns. I'm eyeballing a set of colored Pigma microns on Amazon, but I mean, it's kind of pretty penny, so I don't know, you guys. And then I thought, go a little crazy. Why don't you throw in some Tombos? So I did. And then this, that's a Sarasa pen in a 0.7 in that kind of reddish wine color. It's a pretty color, so I thought I'd throw that in there. And then, but it is gel, so I'm going to have to remember that it will smear if I try and watercolor on it or do something crazy. And then more of those Heidi Swapp stickers. And then I kind of took one sticker sheet from all of my recent acquisitions, the cats, the pigs, Hong and Ding, the Happy Girl, Happy Life set. Then I took the words out that I had put in last time and stuck in some different ones from the Crate Paper Journal Studio. And then realized, nope, you can't fold that. And then I think I also flipped through one of the packs from, these are from Dollar Tree. These are the Dollar Tree planner stickers that they came out with last summer. And I'm trying to find if there's something in there that would make me happy to use. And I was like, oh, just put in the whole pack. Well, that's not going to work, stoop. So I take out the whole pack and end up tearing out a sheet. And because they are really kind of more planner related, but I'll make it work. Yep, tear it out, you animal. And then I decide to stick in a waffle flower stamp set just to remind me to use my stamps. Because I haven't been using them because I forget, because I'm so, I get in a one-track mind kind of thing, and then I forget. So I stuck in some watercolors. I don't know if that's the Brights or the Glitzy. And then I put in some new washi. That's my Avocado Dope. I'm the good kind of fat washi, and I love it, obviously. And then there's some other Michael's washi. I think a lot of those were 33-cent ones from the little bin. Oh, my cat just jumped up on the headboard of my bed. He's lurking like a gargoyle right above me. But anyways, that's my Delfonics. I'm so sorry for this crazy voiceover. You guys got to bear with me. There was a lot of snow and a lot of together time.